Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and this is the second video of Apache Tomcat server series. So in this video, we're going to see how you can download and install Apache Tomcat server in Windows operating system. As I'm using the Windows operating system, I'm going to show you how to download and install Apache Tomcat server in Windows operating system. So there are basically three simple steps to download and install your Apache Tomcat server. The first step is to search for your download link, and you can use any suitable keywords to search for the download links of Apache Tomcat server. Second one is to download the executable file, and third one is to run and follow the procedures for installation. So without further delay, let's get to the practical part of downloading. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, so you need to search for the download Apache Tomcat server. Okay, here you can see we're going to find the different download links for the Tomcat 8, Tomcat 9, Tomcat 10. So I'm going to select for the Tomcat 10, select open it. So you're going to find the Tomcat 10 software download. Okay, so now come to this section 10.0.0-M9. Okay, in this section we're going to find this binary distribution section, and in this binary distribution section we're going to find this core subsection. Inside this core subsection we're going to find this last file. Just download this last file, which is Windows Service Installer. Okay, so here you can see the size of this file, which is 11.5. From this you can guess how much lightweight server is your Apache Tomcat 10 server is. Okay, so now save the file. My file is already downloaded, so I'm going to open the file location. Okay, so here you can find the Apache Tomcat 10 server. So I'm going to move this file in a different location for my convenience. I'm pasting it here. Now the third step is to install your Apache Tomcat server. So to install that, just double click on this file, which is executable file. Okay, now press S. Now go to the next. Now your installation started. Next, agree to the license conditions. And then now here you no need to make any changes. Just press next. Okay, on the screen you're going to find the server shutdown port. Second is your connector port. So while selecting your connector port, you can either select the the port number given, or if your port number is already busy with another software, that means the on that port number another software is running. So in that condition you need to select another port number. So for me 8080 port number is already busy with my Tomcat 9 installation, so I'm going to select another port number, which is 8288. Okay, so this port number is not busy for me. Now coming to this section, Tomcat administration login. So to get an access to the application manager, you need to application manager in a console, you need to provide the username and password. Here I'm providing the username as admin and password as a admin. Okay, so now I'm pressing the next. Okay, here you need to pass the gr installation path, that is Java 8 gr installation path, or the latest version gr installation path. So the path which I have already shown there, it is not exactly the path where my Java 8 is installed, so I need to change my path. Here you're going to find the Java 8. Inside the Java 8 you're going to find this JRE. So here you need to select this one, JRE. Now okay, now next. Okay, so this is the installation path for your Apache Tomcat 10 server. So here I'm going to give one suggestion, that is you should not, okay, you should probably not install your Apache 10 Tomcat server in the C drive, because in the later cases, if you want to modify your port number which you have given by any chance, or on that port number there is already another service running, and if you want to change that port number, or you want to change your admin, okay, so username and password, so in that condition you cannot do that in C drive in most of the cases, because the access permission for the files inside the C drive uh, is read only access in most of the time. That's why you should not install your Apache 10 Tomcat server inside C drive. So it is recommended to install it in outside that of the C drive. So I'm installing my Apache Tomcat 10 server in S drive. Okay, so in this Apache folder. Okay, one more thing here, if you are the folder in which you are installing your Apache 10 Tomcat server is not a empty folder, it is going to give the one notification that you cannot install it there. Here you're going to find that the specified solution directory is not empty. We wish to continue. Okay, so make it cancel. Now create a new folder over there. So I'm creating the Tomcat 10. You can take any name, a meaningful name. Okay, so here you can see I've selected this. Now press on install. Your installation procedure is started. As Tomcat 10 is a very lightweight server, it is going to install it in very short time. Okay, now press on finish. As you can see that my Apache Tomcat 10 server installation is done. So this is how you can download and install Apache 10 Tomcat server. Thank you for watching.